Hey Candace, give you some tips here. One of the first things is at the top here, your file name is over 20 to 30 characters long and it has special characters in there. You want to actually reduce the amount of characters and get rid of the special characters like the ampersand. Now going on to the document. You have colored um, fonts on here. Just make everything black. We try to avoid color unless you're really trying to emphasize something. So make those black. You have different types of fonts, Times New Roman and Calibria. Make everything one font. The other thing is this is not a heading, as you can tell. If I highlight this, and up here it just says normal, that would be a heading 1, and then you can change the color to it as we show in the video. And same here, this should be a heading 2. What else in this document? Your pictures do not have alt text in them. If you right click and format picture, you have a file name, not something that describes the picture. And then down here, you don't have a you don't have a style applied to it, and you don't have the top row designated as a header row. You have click here. That shouldn't be click here. That should be descriptive link. This website here does not go to the correct website. You can just fix those and resubmit within the next week. Thanks.